Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I'm happy you stopped by. Today I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious pistachio dessert bars. These pistachio dessert bars are the perfect combination of crunchy and sweet. Topped with chopped pistachios and drizzled with chocolate, these bars are perfect for St. Patrick's Day or any time. In a medium saucepan, we're going to combine a half cup of butter and 1 egg. We're also going to add in a 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And we're gonna keep on stirring this until everything is nice and melted. To our chocolate mixture, I'm adding 2 cups of finely ground cinnamon graham crackers, as well as a half cup of finely chopped pistachios. And we're going to give this a good mix. This is what our crust mixture should look like once everything has come together. Here I have an 8x8 baking pan that I've lined with tin foil. I'm going to take our crust mixture. We're going to pour it in like this. Now we're going to take a measuring cup. I think I've showed you this trick before. And we're going to press our crust mixture firmly to the bottom. Using a measuring cup to do this really saves a lot of time, and it makes sure that everything is nice and even. So now all I'm going to do is I'm going to set our crust mixture aside, and we're going to start on our pistachio filling. We're going to mix together a 1/4 cup of butter. This is a 1/4 cup of instant pistachio pudding and a 1/4 cup of milk. Look at that green color. We're going to beat this on medium speed until everything is combined. This is 1½ cups of powdered sugar, and I'm going to put this into our mixture in increments of maybe 2, maybe 3. Here's a better look at the consistency, just like a frosting. Now let's get ready to spread it onto our crust. Let's take our filling. We're just going to dump it onto the crust like this. With an offset spatula, or you can do it with a knife, either one. Just gonna spread the filling over the crust like this until everything is nice and smooth and even. We're almost there. We just need to chill these bars until the filling is firm, and then we can get on to the chocolate mixture. We're almost there. I have my chilled crust and filling here. And now all we need to do is put on our topping. This is our chocolate topping, and all it is are 6 ounces of bittersweet chocolate and a 1/4 cup of butter, and I melted it in the microwave in 30-second increments. Now, if you don't like bittersweet chocolate, feel free to use semi-sweet. And I'm just gonna take this and dump it on. Here I'm taking my offset spatula. I'm just gonna smooth it out over the filling like this. This is ½ cup of chopped pistachio, and I just rough cut the pistachios, and we're gonna put those on top like this. There we go. And here is what our pistachio dessert bars look like. All we need to do now is chill for 2 hours or until the chocolate is all set so that it's easy to cut. I know, the waiting, but it's worth it. Look how easy this is. You just pull it out like this. Minimal cleaning to the pan. Here we are. I've gone ahead and separated them into thirds, and here's what it looks like on the inside. Doesn't it look delicious? Now, some of these may look a little large to you. You may not want to eat an entire bar. So what you can do, now that they're cut into 9 pieces, you can go ahead and you can cut it again, like that. Okay, let's try one. See what we have here. Whoa. You have lots of texture in here. You have texture from the pistachios in the crust, and then the rough chopped up pistachios on the top. The bittersweet chocolate is a really good addition because it kind of cuts the sweetness out from the pistachio filling. Definitely recommend these. I'll have the recipe for these pistachio dessert bars in the description below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe to my channel. That's it for today. Have a great day, everyone, and I'll see you next time.